Today we're going to be trying something completely new. We are going to be fixing a shredded chicken in our Instapot. I have all of these recipes I am coming across where I think I can use shredded chicken. So we're going to be using frozen chicken today, putting it in the Instapot, and then I'm going to show you how to vacuum seal it and use it for later. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients that we're going to use today, and they're really simple, and I will put all of this information in the description below the video. And I've just pulled out some frozen chicken I have. We got some chicken thighs that I had vacuum sealed a while back, and then we've got some chicken tenders here. For my seasoning, I'm going to be using some chicken seasoning, some roasted garlic, some cumin, some Italian seasoning, some salt, and you know I really love this Himalayan salt, and then some coarse ground black pepper. So I've gone ahead and I took all the frozen chicken out of their packages and I've placed it inside the Instapot. And now what I'm going to do is, I forgot to tell you that we do need 1 cup of chicken broth, or you can use a cup of water. And so I'm going to pour this 1 cup in here of chicken broth. And then I'm just going to take all of my seasonings and place all of my seasonings in. We're going to start with our chicken seasoning. I'm just going to put a little bit of this chicken seasoning all over the top. Next, we're going to put in our roasted garlic, add our cumin. Now I'll kind of move the chicken around just a little bit. Now I'm going to put in some Italian seasoning. I do put quite a bit of this in. I really like it. If you have fresh herbs, go out and get those fresh herbs. I have some fresh oregano, and but today I decided to go ahead and just do that Italian seasoning. Now we're going to put some salt in, and just a little bit, a few dashes of this Himalayan salt. It's really good. And now we're going to add in just a little bit of the coarse ground black pepper. So put a little bit of that pepper on there. We're putting the lid on, and it made its little noise. Yay, so we know it's good. And I still am just a little bit getting nervous with this Instapot. I'm only done a few recipes with it. So we've got him all plugged in. He is ready to go. And I'm going to go over here and we're going to punch pressure cooker. There we go. And now we're going to go through the little menu that it has. And this is chicken. So we're going to turn it till chicken is bleeping. Let's see. There. So chicken, you can see the chicken is blinking. So we're going to push. Yes, we want chicken. We want it to be on high, so we're good there. And now we want this to go for about 10 minutes. Now after you put that lid on, make sure that you do have your button at the top on seal. Okay, so now we're going to open this and see what we find. Okay. So there is our chicken, and it looks done. So I'm going to pull it out and start shredding it. So I'm going to take my chicken pieces out and just put them in a bowl, and then I'm just going to shred this with a couple of forks, and I'll be back in just a few minutes. Oh my goodness, look at all of this shredded chicken. I don't know if you can tell, I'll kind of step back here, if you can tell really how much this has made, but this has made a lot of shredded chicken, and I tasted it, and oh my goodness, it tastes wonderful and it smells so good. I have so many different recipes I think I'll be able to use this for. Be sure and check out that next video up in the right hand corner. I'll see you there in a few minutes. Bye-bye.